So this morning at church, we had the occasion to play the song Same God. We led that in worship here this morning. I believe the song Same God off the top of my head. I think it's by Elevation. It's on their Lion album. It's a great song. It's kind of one of our new favorites here at my church. The song features something of a bass solo, kind of, throughout the intro, the verse 1, verse 2, and into the vamp section. So I wanted to learn how to play that. And if you've ever listened to it, chances are if you've listened to it, that's probably why you're here. But it's kind of different. It's kind of a different sound, and it took me some time to try and really figure it out. I tried looking up some videos on YouTube and across the internets and interwebs and all such places to see if I could see if I could find any videos to help me learn how to play it. And I'm sad to say I didn't really find any videos that I found to be too helpful. So I thought I would try making a video and maybe help you out. Chances are, if you're here, you probably want to learn how to play that intro part yourself. That's how the internet works, I guess. So what I thought I would do is I thought I would play through the progression at full speed, and play it to show you how I played it this morning. At least I tried to be as faithful to the recorded version as possible. And I figured I'd show that to you first. And if that's what you want to learn, then continue watching the video. And if not, maybe find something else. I don't know. Anyway, I hope it is helpful to you. A little word about the sound. I'm using my Squier vintage modified jazz bass. This is a 5-string, but you don't need that 5th string. I'm just going to use the bottom 4 strings. This is just the bass that I have right now to play it with. I'm using the chorus sound from my HX Stomp. It's really a basic chorus sound. If you have a chorus pedal at your disposal, I'm sure if you set it to just a simple basic sound and keep the depth a little deep. I guess that is one note on the chorus sound. But other than that, it's a pretty basic chorus sound. If you have a chorus pedal, I'm pretty certain you can figure that out. I am using both pickups. Both pickups are on full blast here, and let's go through and play that.
Verse 1. Verse 2. Drums in. Chorus. Breakdown. Verse 1.
And there it was. You'll see it's kind of a stretch on the old fingers there, so maybe get your Jetson exercises out and do some finger stretches there. And so let's break it down. Let's show you some shapes here. This song is in D flat as recorded. At my church we did it in F sharp, so I was kind of up here a little ways. But the song's in D flat, so we'll show you that. And so there's D flat. That's the 1 if you know your Nashville numbers. So the chord progression is to go through that 1 twice. And then after 2 measures of the 1, you go down to the 6. And then after 1 measure of that, you go down to the 4. Right? So those are the basic roots. So let's show you that shape here. Make sure that you can see this straight on. So kind of a finger stretch here. This is the 1, this is a 2, and this is a 3. So let's do this a couple of times here. That's kind of the basic idea of the whole thing right there. If you get that pattern down with your picking fingers, and sort of get that pattern down with your fretting fingers, that's about half the battle right there. Before we go any further, I want to show you this note right here. This is an octave of the 1. Walk with me, Susie. confusing? Anyway, 1. We're going to slingshot down to that 6 and then come back and catch on that octave of the 1, right? So let's do that a little bit slower. Here's the next shape. This is sort of just a tall line here, hitting the 6, hitting the 1. Make sure you can see that. After hitting that for measure, we're going to go down to the 4. This is sort of like, I don't know if it's a shape, it's like a backslash or some such thing. Right? So here we go again. Let's do it. Yeah. Let's play through it once just on our own here. Down to the 6. Down to the 4. So that's how I played it. Let's go back to the recording here. I'm going to slow it down to about 10% slower, and we'll try it with that. So now you can hear how it sounds in a mix. There's no bass in the recording that you're going to hear here. The only bass that you'll hear is me. So let's get that going.
Verse 1.
Down to the 6. 4.
Verse 2.
Hold that.
Drums in. Vamp. Chorus. Breakdown. Verse 1.
So there it was at 10% speed. And let's put it back up to full speed here. Give me a second here as I put it back up to full speed. Oop, I just missed it. Oh, come on now. There we go. Let's do it one more time here at full speed.
Verse 1. Verse 2. Drums in. Vamp. Chorus. Breakdown. Verse 1.
So there it was. That's at least how I played it this morning. I tried to be as faithful to the recorded version as possible. Maybe you'll listen to it. Maybe you'll hear something I did wrong. I don't know. But anyway, I hope it blesses you. I hope it helps you. I hope you're having a great day, whatever day it is to you in the future here, from me in the past. Be blessed.